Hi, welcome to By TV. I'm your embroidery assistant Ace. Do you know how different foam thicknesses affect 3D hand embroidery? Many of our friends are curious about 3D hand embroidery, but unsure about how to pick the right foam thickness. That's why we have made the episode to guide you through the process. The biggest difference between 3D and regular hand embroidery is the depth and 3D effect. Here, I have got two hands for you to compare. One is regular hand embroidery, and the other is 3D hand embroidery. From the outside, you can clearly see that there is a difference in thickness. By adding extra foam layers, 3D hand embroidery creates a more dimensional effect, makes the design pop and look more lively. Regular hand embroidery, on the other hand, is flat and works best for simpler or more traditional designs. With these two hands side by side, you can see the difference and understand how to choose the right foam thickness for your design. By stacking them together, we can visually compare the difference in thickness. This simple demonstration will help us better understand how these changes in thickness can affect the results in 3D embroidery. 1 and 2 mm, this dimension, perfect for smaller designs with fine details. 3 and 4 mm, noticeable dips, the most common choice for 3D embroidery. 5 mm, maximum dips, but requires careful adjustment of stitch coverage and machine pressure. Alright, now let's get ready to embroider the hands. We are using our fishing machine, and we will also show you the results of stitching hands with it. Next, we will go through the preparation steps for how to properly hoop the hand. We have already covered the detailed steps in the fishing series tutorials, so I won't repeat them here. The hand is hooped. Let's move on to the machine to set up. Just a quick reminder, when using the machine, always select the embroidery frame before installing the hand driver. At the start of the embroidery, we need to control the speed. Don't go too fast. Once the stitching is stable, you can increase the speed. Alright, that's it for today. We have shown the embroidery results with different foam thicknesses. And now that the hands are lined up, you can see each one has its own unique style. And you can see the stitching with the fishing machine remains detailed and precise, with great dimension and clarity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Share your thoughts or any embroidery-related questions, and I will be happy to answer them in the next video. Thanks for your watching, and I will see you next time.